You searched how to buy shares of Bellway PLC, a UK house builder listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker BWY.L. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker BWY.L to find Bellway PLC. Make sure you select the London Stock Exchange listing to locate the correct share. Open the Bellway PLC asset page to read the short company summary and view the price chart. Double-check the company name, LSE listing, and ticker to confirm it is the right stock. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once it has been executed. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.